like Madonna's, the toned legs, flat stomach, and amazing arms? Well, I've got good news. Madonna's trainer is here, and she says all you need to get started is a chair.
I believe that every woman has the ability to achieve their ideal body, but what gets in the way is that they become overwhelmed with time and the expense of working out. And I want to change all that.
And Nicole Winhoffer knows what it takes to change women's bodies. That's why Hollywood's elite like Stella McCartney, Rachel Weisz, and none other than Madonna are her devoted clients.
I created a workout with Madonna. It is a full-body, fat-burning, toning workout that you can do anywhere. All you need is a chair. If you follow what I do and listen to what I say, the results are a sure thing.
Nicole's here. How'd you come up with a chair workout?
Well, Madonna and I created this workout because we wanted everyone at home to have an effective way to work out, toning their muscles.
And how long does it take? What kind of results do you get?
Well, the full workout is 30 minutes, and you can choose 5, 10 minutes. We target the butt, the hips, the thighs, the arms, and I want to show you some if that's okay with you.
I'd love to. You guys interested? I thought they were. Only 30 minutes. Ladies, come on in. We got some ladies from the audience who want to transform their bodies. Y'all ready?
Yes!
They're psyched. We got the tunes. Okay, so I got the chair the right way?
Yes, you got the chair the right way. So the first move is called swivel hips. You want to pulse twice, and a twist twice. Good, twist. Good, so we're toning the hips, the butt, the thighs, the lower obliques. We're gonna get into the singles. Ready, go, 1, 2, 3, 4 more, and a 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job.
Better than I thought.
Plank, we're gonna kiss our chairs. This is full body for the core, the arms, and the butt. We're gonna plank down, 1 foot on the chair. You're gonna kick out and come down. Kick out, down. Perfect. Down, straight back leg. Let's get the audience counting. 8, down, 7, down, 6, down, 5, down, 4, down, 3,
Help me.
down,
Help
2,
me.
down, 1. Good job.
That is harder than it seems.
Last move for the back of the legs and the abs. We're gonna do the bridge up. Very simple. You're gonna have one heel on the chair. You're gonna cross the right foot over. You're gonna bridge up and come back down. Bridge up and down. Good. Audience, 8, please. 8, 7, down. 6, down. 5. Good.
4,
Good.
2,
Good. 2. Good. 1.
Nicely done, Nicole. Listen, I gotta ask you a question.
Yeah.
That's a little harder than it seems. Has Madonna ever complained, moaned, and groaned about these exercises?
She is an avid student. No, unfortunately, she has not.
I bet she whines once in a while.
Sometimes. That's what I'm there for.
You get lots more of Nicole's workout. You can go to DrOz.com and check it out.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.